Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal on the mobile app from your bank account. Most of the time, once you have your bank linked to your PayPal account, when you make a purchase with PayPal, if you don't have a balance inside of there, it'll automatically pull from your bank. But sometimes you may need or just want to have a balance that lives inside of PayPal. To do this, you have to transfer money into it. But before we transfer money into PayPal, we have to link a bank account or card. To do this, from the main screen, tap the wallet icon on the bottom right. Here we see my PayPal balance, and underneath we see the accounts that I already have linked. But assuming that we've never linked an account before, tap Add Banks and Cards at the top. Next, tap the type that you want to add to your wallet. We'll choose Banks. From here, choose or search for the bank that you use, and follow through the steps to link and add your account. Each one's a little different and you'll need your account login. Once you're finished, you'll see your account at the bottom in your wallet. Now to transfer money into PayPal, tap your balance. At the bottom of this screen, choose Add Money, and in this case, we'll select Add from your bank. If you're asked, provide your credentials, and on the next screen, enter the amount that you want to add to PayPal. When you're ready, hit Next. Make sure that your bank account is selected in the From section and that it's going to your PayPal balance. One thing to note here, it takes anywhere from 3 to 5 days to transfer money into PayPal. As of now, there's really no way around this. When you're ready, hit Add to your balance at the bottom and it'll start the transfer. And that's how you transfer money into the PayPal app using your bank account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.